you doing? Are you taking all the diapers off the shelf? They're so nice and neat up there. Can't have that though, can you?
What are you doing?
Cannon.
I put them back. I put them back. Back. Hey! Hey!
Dad tried to pick him up.
What doing? What are you doing?
Get that out of you, mouse. Get that, Daddy. Dad, William. You showing bad things. 2 peas in a pod, these two are.
Hey!
2 peas in a pod.
You're supposed to stay there. Okay.